Hi guys, today I will compare the sound of two budget speakers, the Anker SoundCore 2 and the DOS Ego 2. The Anker is available on the market for a long time, I have already made several videos about it, however the Ego 2 is a pretty new device. Both are durable outdoor speakers with a similar size. As you can see, the Ego 2 is a bit larger device. Okay, so it will be interesting to see how their sound compare. I will play some songs on the speakers and tell my personal opinion at the end of the video. Please put on your headphones. And let's go! While there is not a big difference in the sound of the speakers, I think by many songs the Anker still sounds better. It has a bit larger sound with more details and more powerful lows. Sometimes I also found it a bit brighter than the sound of the Ego 2. However, let me know what do you think about the speakers and write your vote in a comment. If you liked the video, please press the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I was Norbert Kopasz and you watched The Speaker Fanatic.